Guys, this is not a drill. I got my hands on this KRAFT dinner plant-based edition. Ah! We're gonna try it today. I am so excited. Let's go. Hi guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. Today you're watching another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series. Mukbang is an eating show, so we're gonna eat together and we are going to chat. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. So guys, I got my hands on plant-based KRAFT dinner. Yes, this is now available in Canada. This video is not sponsored. I just had to run and get this immediately, okay? So we're gonna try it together. I have not tried this yet. I'm so excited. We're gonna get it started, okay? So I already have water boiling. This is how excited I am. I am so prepared, okay? Water is already boiling, my friends. Woo! This is the KD plant-based, not cheese, guys. Oh, hallelujah. The vegan gods have answered our prayers, okay? Oh my God, this is the moment, okay? So we're gonna boil this. I got 6 cups of water in here. We're obviously gonna make this whole box, obviously, okay? I have 6 cups of water in here as per the instructions. I feel like it's too much water, but whatever. Okay, throw this in. Ooh, that's it. Lowered, it's not that much food. So we're gonna boil this for 7 to 8 minutes or until tender, okay? Guys, when I tell you guys that I have been wanting plant-based KRAFT dinner for as long as I remember being dairy-free. So I actually went dairy-free, I think like 12 years ago, because I've been vegan for almost 10 years now. Almost 10 years. 10 years will be in June. Yes. So almost 10 years I've been vegan, but I've been dairy-free for longer. So I've been dairy-free for I think an extra like 2 years. So I haven't had KRAFT dinner for over 12 years. This is a moment of celebration, okay? And you guys are probably like, Rose, it's just KRAFT dinner. What are you talking about? Okay, here's the thing. When I was like young, my parents like never bought KRAFT dinner. We probably had it, I don't know, maybe a few times in the house, but you know, it wasn't really our thing, you know? I am Korean, my parents are Korean. We don't eat KRAFT dinner. But every time I'd go over to like my white friend's house, they would make me KRAFT dinner and I was like, this is so delicious, okay? So I'm like, give me some KRAFT dinner. So I do really like it, okay? I remember it very much enjoying the original KRAFT dinner experience. So when I saw that there was a plant-based version, I was so excited, okay? So I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna give you the full, honest review, okay? Yeah, I've heard great things, but I haven't tried it yet, so let's see. This cannot boil fast enough. All right, I'm just gonna stir it to make sure it's cooking properly. I really don't know why it took them this long to create a plant-based version, you know? Because the thing is, the noodles are plant-based. It's basically all fake cheese anyway, you know? Like, it can't be that hard to create a plant-based version. I think the closest one that I've had to KD is the Annie's vegan mac and cheese. I really like that one. I think that one has like a pretty similar taste. It's a little bit milder from my experience, so I add a little bit of nutritional yeast to that one. But hopefully I won't have to add anything extra to this one other than what's on the packaging. So I'm gonna do vegan butter and non-dairy milk. So that's the plan. This isn't that much food. I'm probably gonna be hungry after this, but we're gonna have to deal. Okay. All right, guys, I've drained it. And now I'm gonna add vegan butter. Oh my God, it's like a lot. I'm gonna add a little less than what the packaging says. And I'm gonna add non-dairy milk. Let's mix that up. Ooh. Then, the cheese sauce. Ah. Okay, let's add it in. Ooh, you see that? Well, it looks like KRAFT dinner. Turn the heat off. It's turning more and more yellow. Oh, I'm gonna add a little more vegan butter. I feel like, you know, still gotta do this justice, right? Oh, it smells very cheesy. Do you see this? Guys, we're gonna have to take a moment here. It smells like Kraft Dinner, guys. Oh my God. All right, you guys, look at this. Come on. Come on. It smells like Kraft Dinner. It looks like Kraft Dinner. Now, will it taste like Kraft Dinner? Well, I'm about to tell you. Okay. All right, let me just take a big old bite here. It looks exactly like what I remember Kraft Dinner to look like. This is the moment of truth. Let's give it a taste. Oh my God. Give me one more moment with my Kraft Dinner. Girl, that is Kraft Dinner. That is Kraft Dinner. That is so good. Slightly sweeter than I remember. But again, I haven't had this for like 12 years, so I have a certain amount of memory, but I think it tastes like Kraft Dinner. And obviously it's KD that made it, so if anything's gonna taste like Kraft Dinner, it's gonna be plant-based Kraft Dinner. Okay. It has that same like ooey gooey texture. I mean, honestly, it tastes like Kraft Dinner. What can I say? Oh, I'm so happy. If you miss Kraft Dinner and you're dairy free, you gotta try this vegan version. This is not sponsored. Okay, I wish they were sponsoring me. If they will sponsor me, I will be very happy. This is a true review and a test. It is so good. It tastes just like Kraft Dinner from what I remember. And I'm just hoping that this is on the permanent line. All right, now that we've done the taste test, we can enjoy the mukbang. Guys, this is such a pivotal moment. I am drinking kombucha. This is the ginger lemon one, my fave right now. I should have put it on ice, but I don't have ice. Oh, so good. So one thing I'm gonna add, which I didn't add before because I wanted to taste it without it, is some Veggie Dogs. So I just cut up some Eve's Veggie Dogs and I just cooked it in a little bit of vegan butter. I like to add this to mac and cheese because it makes it more filling, gives it that smoky taste. I think it's really tasty. So I'm gonna add that and eat it with the Veggie Dog. Let's see how that tastes. I mean, it's gonna taste great. I think I almost prefer it without the Veggie Dog in terms of taste because then I can get that real taste of that KD. Oh my God, it's so good. I heard that KD is like super big in Canada, which I mean, obviously I'm Canadian, so it is true, but I heard it's bigger in Canada than it is in the US. Let me know if you're in the US, was KD just as big? Was it super popular? Was it something you had growing up when you were a kid? I feel like this is like the white people equivalent of like instant noodles, you know? Like us Koreans, we've been eating instant noodles since we was a kid. Veggie Dogs are good, but I think I'd eat them separately because I don't want to jeopardize the taste of the mac and cheese. You know what's funny? It's like when I wasn't vegan, it's not like I ate Kraft Dinner that much. I almost never did, but it's like as soon as I went dairy free, I was like, ooh, I can't have Kraft dinner. And then it was like a big thing. I mean, it wasn't a big thing, but you know, I was like, oh my God, I can't have Kraft dinner. Even though I like never really had it when I wasn't vegan. I just had it like once in a while when I'm like at my friend's house. I am just so happy right now. Okay. Yeah, it tastes just like it. I don't know what took them this long, but hey, I'm happy it's here. Better late than never. And it's really cheap. It was like less than $3 Canadian for a box, which I mean, obviously KD is cheap, but I'm glad that they didn't make like the vegan version astronomically more expensive. I think it is slightly more expensive, but by like not that much. Oh my God. Let me look at some of the values here. For a box, it's 620 calories, 20 grams of protein. Not too bad. I expected like no protein, but 620 calories, 20 grams of protein. It's not the best macros, but it's not the worst. I was expecting literally nothing. But then obviously if you add in the vegan butter, which by the way, I don't think you need to add the full, it said 4 tablespoons of vegan butter. And I just added maybe like, I think even just 2 tablespoons is fine. I added less than 4 tablespoons for sure. And it tastes amazing. So no need to add the full 4 tablespoons. And I also added obviously the non-dairy milk. So yeah, oh my God, it's so good. Oh. Oh my God. Let me know if you're not from Canada or the US, if you grew up eating Kraft dinner at all. I think it's a very North American thing. Oh, but it is just so good. Okay. I mean, this is some good white people food, let me tell you, okay? By the way, I also have a vegan mac and cheese recipe. I've got a few. I've got a main one that I love, and that one's so delicious, okay? You can't compare these two things though. This is like instant KD, you know, fake cheese. I mean, it's all fake cheese, but you know what I'm saying? Like, this is instant stuff, which has a time and a place, and obviously I think it tastes great, but there's also really kind of rich, healthier, delicious vegan mac and cheese that you can make at home, which I'll leave a link for the recipe below. So you can make that if you prefer like a, you know, healthier thing, or if you're just in the mood, you know? Oh, so good. My only issue with these, obviously no one is eating this for their health, but same with instant noodles. The issue is that, actually, this is actually better than instant noodles because I think it's higher in protein than instant noodles are. What the mother? Anyways, but it's a similar concept in that you can eat the whole box and you may still feel hungry. You may not be as satisfied because it's kind of like, I don't want to say it's empty calories, but you know, it's not really giving too much nutritional value. Again, higher in protein than I thought, but that's the thing. So that's why I like to add little things into instant noodles or KDs to make it more filling, to make it more satisfying, to make it more of like a complete meal. Because like, let me know, were you just eating KD like straight? You didn't add anything? Because I feel like I would be hungry very quickly. So yeah, what I like to do is add some kind of protein, which is why I added the Veggie Dogs. And I think next time I would probably add like broccoli or something, or peas or something else to kind of like make it, you know, more bulky. You know what I mean? I'm amazed. I'm so happy. You know, us vegans, we don't ask for too much, okay? We just ask for the same type of, you know, cheap food. Oh, so good. I don't know what it is about KD. It has that like very distinct taste. Like, you know what I'm talking about, right? No one else has been able to replicate this exact taste, okay? Guys, I'm sorry I haven't said much, but I'm having a moment. I'm having a romantic moment with my KD, okay? I literally saw this on Instagram. Somebody had posted like a taste test or something, but they were in the States. And I was like, oh my God, of course it's in the States. But then I saw this news. Yes, it was news. It made vegan news. I think I saw it in plant-based news. It was like, plant-based KD coming to Canada. And I was like, where? Immediately type in. And I found it at Walmart. Yes. $2 and something. So cheap. I'm getting full, but I'm also sad that this is over. Something about the texture. It all just comes together. It's over. As the Koreans say, 잘 먹었습니다. Alright, you guys. I cleaned it up. Finished the whole box. This is actually made with no artificial flavors or colors. Honestly, if you look at the ingredients list, it doesn't seem crazy. I feel like I understand most of these ingredients. I don't know. Not saying it's healthy. I'm just saying I don't think it's as bad as some people would imagine it is, okay? Woo! Anyway, guys, so that is it for my KRAFT dinner mukbang / review. Guys, let me know, would you try vegan KRAFT dinner? Would you try it? Have you tried it? What are your thoughts? Let me know below in the comments. I'm so excited. I love when a new vegan product comes out, especially something that's like nostalgic. Still waiting for fully vegan Nutella, FYI, just putting that out there. Or vegan Pockies. That would be nice too. Anyway, guys, let me know down below what your thoughts are. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, I'm hosting 3 different trips this year. These are vegan food tours. I'm going to Turkey and Greece in September, and I'm going to Bali in October. If you guys want to come along with me and meet me in person and travel with me and other amazing people, check out the links below to book your spot, and hopefully I'll see you there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!